13 Ways to get free money. Need to boost your bank balance without having to work for it? Sounds like you need to read this list of ways to make free money. 1. Bursaries, scholarships and grants. This one won't be news to a lot of you, but hear us out, we are a student money site, after all. You're probably well aware that students can receive money in the form of bursaries, scholarships and grants, and that, unlike student loans, these don't have to be repaid. But what you may not know is just how many people are eligible for this free cash. 2. Sign-up offers. Creating an account with a company selling, well, anything? Check to see if there are any sign-up offers for new customers. Far from just offering an initial discount, loads of companies give you free money for signing up. You may have to make a qualifying purchase first, but if it's something you are going to buy anyway, it's 100% free cash. 3. Money for switching bank or utility supplier. One of the main things we recommend students do before they start uni is open a student bank account. But did you know you can switch bank accounts even when you've already started uni? And, better still, that you could get free cash for doing so? Switching bank accounts couldn't be simpler. And whether it's pure cash or an Amazon voucher, which, again, is as good as cash anyway, loads of banks offer up to £100 to convince you to switch. 4. Free money for referring friends. We absolutely love referral codes. In terms of how little effort is needed and how much money you could make, it's hard to think of a better way to earn free money than referring your friends and family to sign up with a few companies. There's actually a fair bit of overlap here with our previous tip. Some of the very best referral codes are offered by banks, energy companies, Octopus Energy gives £50 credit, and broadband providers. 5. Get a student loan refund. There's a lot wrong with the current state of student finance in the UK. But, broadly speaking, student loan repayments are pretty sound. That is until the flaws in the system mean you end up making repayments when you shouldn't be. You see, to start repaying your student loan, two things need to happen. First, you must have reached the 1st April after your graduation. And, secondly, you must be earning over the threshold for your repayment plan. 6. Check if you're owed a tax rebate. Student loan refunds aren't the only way to get back some free cash you've overpaid. Every year, thousands of people across the UK accidentally pay too much tax. If you're one of them, you're entitled to a rebate. You may have overpaid tax for one of a number of reasons. But the good news is that it doesn't matter if it was your fault or not. 7. Earn interest with savings and current accounts. We know that, if you're a student, you might not have too much spare cash floating around. But if you are able to save some money, we definitely recommend putting it in an ISA or regular savings account. Although the 2008 financial crisis, austerity measures, Brexit and even COVID-19 have kept interest rates down for a while, there are some decent offers out there. 8. £1,000 free every year with a lifetime ISA. Owning a house may seem like a distant pipe dream right now. But you can help bring that dream to life by putting money in a lifetime ISA, LISA. Offering up to £1,000 every year, a LISA is undoubtedly the most generous source of free money that we can think of. To get the full grant, you'll need to deposit £4,000 into your LISA in a single tax year, April to April. But don't worry if you haven't got that much going spare. The government will still give you a 25% bonus on anything you save up to £4,000, too. 9. Use cashback sites for online shopping. We've already mentioned it in this guide on how to get free money in the UK. And, if you're a fan of making and saving money, chances are you're well versed on cashback. But, just in case you're not, here's a quick breakdown. When you buy something online, you can either do it directly or go via a cashback site. Whenever possible, we'd always recommend using a cashback site. 10. Get paid to use the internet with Swagbucks. Spend your life online? Well, when you're not rereading your favorite Save the Student guides, we all have one, you could be earning free money just for using the internet. Among the many ways to make money from Swagbucks is to make it your default search engine. While that means saying goodbye to Google, or, God forbid, Bing, you learn 10 to 20 SP points, the virtual currency used on Swagbucks, for every 10 to 20 searches. 11. Earn money from walking. We all know about the main benefits of walking. It's free, it helps you stay healthy, and it's completely carbon neutral. But what if we told you there was a fourth reason to walk everywhere? Thanks to apps like Sweatcoin, Better Points and WinWalk, walking is now even better than free, it's a source of free money. 12. Win free money from competitions. Now, let us be clear. When we say you can win free money from competitions, we mean free. We're not talking about entering the lottery, which costs money and gives you a lower chance of winning than these unlikely things. We mean the hundreds, if not thousands of other competitions running in the UK right now which are free to enter and could win you an eye-watering amount of free cash. 13. Scan your receipts for cash. Last, but by no means least, on our list of ways to make free money, receipts. If you usually bin your receipts, or reject them altogether, you may want to reconsider your actions. Aside from making it a lot harder to guarantee your consumer rights, chucking your receipts could see you missing out on free cash, too. So, make sure you keep a hold of them, at least long enough to take a picture.